Notice how the welds on stainless steel pipes don't turn gray. When welding such thin pipes, they can sometimes burn through, causing the outside to turn gray. This happens when the heat input exceeds the pipe size or thickness. The smaller the pipe diameter and the thinner the wall, the greater the impact of heat input. The outer diameter of the pipe is about 50 mm. The wall is about 1.5 mm thick, which is quite small. Friends have mentioned in the last video. They said this is still considered thin. Just to clarify, compared to the video I'm about to share, this is indeed thin. Back to the main topic. Welding a pipe of this size may turn the outside weld gray. Friends who have faced this issue, please comment. Now, let me introduce some useful techniques. This is a welding method that cuts it piece by piece. I'll use the 4T mode to increase the current while welding. High current helps penetrate the pipe quickly. Today, we will weld at the 5G position. I'll be welding from 6 to 12. If you curve your hand like this, it will be easier to control and won't shake. Then, we press and release the start button. Cut it piece by piece for welding. A relatively high current was used compared to the pipe size. Start by repeatedly pressing and releasing the button. Due to the high current, it stops and restarts during welding. The joints can melt easily. Now let's continue with the rest of the welding. Like this. Like this. Like this. Halfway through welding. Weld the other side. Same. Like this. Like this. When welding thin stainless steel pipes, there's usually no gap. Sometimes, welding rods are used. But in most cases, they aren't used, because the welding has no gaps. It's hard to confirm if it penetrated the pipe. That's why finding the molten pool's penetration is important. Feeling small waves in the molten pool is key. Now, this is the result. This is a start. This is the connection area. I don't think this connection is bad. This section is the opposite of that. It's welded like this. Compared to the pipe size, a higher current is used. Use high current for short penetration and stop before the molten pool drips. Then the molten pool solidifies. It no longer flows down. Sufficient shielding gas can prevent the weld from turning gray. The principles of welding are not difficult. The work speed may be a bit slower. But when there are obstacles, tough welding positions, or limited space, I think it would help in difficult working conditions. I believe those worried about weld quality can relieve their headaches using this method. If this video helped, please like, follow, and leave comments or questions. Your feedback or expertise can help many people. The welding method in the video isn't the only solution. It's one way to address the problem. I hope this video helps those facing similar issues. Thank you for watching.